Ever notice how we snap back when someone criticizes us? Crave junk food the moment we see it. Instantly spill the tea when we hear gossip. That's not you being bad, that's your brain running on reflex mode. Your built-in autopilot. Let's be real, modern life is intense. Emails, ads, deadlines, social media, bad drivers, passive-aggressive texts, that one coworker who always has something to say. In this chaos, our brains tend to run on autopilot, what neuroscience calls reflex mode. And you guessed it, that's exactly where most of our drama comes from. But here's the good news. Buddhism has a 2,500-year-old toolkit called the 6 Paramitas, designed to help us shift from reaction to reflection. Let's break it all down and see how it applies to your life today. Your brain has 2 modes. Mode 1, the reflex mode, your default survival brain. This is fast, automatic, instinctual. It's the brain that evolved to help us survive, not thrive. It saves your life when you step off the curb and a car honks. But it also makes you snap at your partner mindlessly, scroll for hours, say things you regret, grab that extra cookie without even tasting the first one. Reflex mode, fast, automatic, and kinda messy. Quick survival reactions, no thinking involved. Useful in ancient times, risky in modern life, like cruise control or autopilot. It's fast, lazy, and emotionally reactive. Super useful for survival. Touch fire, pull your hand back, but also someone criticizes you. Boom, instant annoyance. See a dessert ad? Suddenly, you're starving. Hear juicy gossip. You're already halfway through repeating it. Reflex mode. In Buddhist terms, this mode is tied to greed, wanting what we see, I want more. Hatred, pushing away what we don't like, I hate this. Ignorance, not seeing things clearly. I don't even know why I'm reacting this way. Together, these are called the 3 poisons. This reflexive loop equals the expressway to karma and suffering. And when this reflex brain takes over, we hurt others, we hurt ourselves, and we reinforce unhealthy patterns. Reflex mode. Most of our unskillful speech comes straight out of reflex. Angry insults, lying to protect yourself, gossiping just to feel included. These all happen before your thoughtful brain even wakes up. This is called ignorance, and it's the perfect storm for greed, anger, and confusion, the 3 poisons. This mode often leads to unskillful speech and bad karma without us even realizing it. Mode 2, the thoughtful mode, your awareness brain. Slow, intentional, wise. Your inner mindfulness superpower. Slower, more thoughtful, more conscious, the part of your brain that observes before reacting. This is where real transformation begins. It's the foundation of mindfulness and insight. This is your mindful, logical, and reflective side. It's slower and uses more brain power, helps you pause, observe, and choose wisely. Your awareness brain. This is the part of your brain that can observe what's happening without jumping into it. Make conscious choices. Ask, wait, do I really need to respond like this? This is the home of mindfulness, reflection, and wisdom. The goal of spiritual practice, especially in Buddhism, is to strengthen this mode so that we stop living like machines and start responding like conscious beings. The 6 Paramitas, 6 perfections, is all about strengthening this mode so you can step in when reflex mode wants to run wild. 6 perfections are like a training program for transforming your automatic reactions into conscious responses. Let's walk through each with real-life examples. 1. Generosity. Dana, beat the gimme gimme. Reflex mode. I want more. Deep mode. I choose to give. Letting go weakens greed and ego. Can I give, even when I want to cling? Reflex mode. You see a friend get a promotion. Reflex equals jealousy. You hoard time, energy, resources, because you feel like there's never enough. Paramita mode. You celebrate others' success. You give time, kindness, support, even when it's a little inconvenient. You trust that letting go creates more space, not less. Try this. Next time you're stuck in traffic, let someone merge in. Notice the tug of war inside, and then choose generosity. 2. Ethical discipline, sila, your personal speed bump. Can I speak and act with integrity, even when no one's watching? Reflex, say whatever, do whatever. You vent about someone the moment they leave the room. You send that passive-aggressive message. You say just a little white lie to avoid awkwardness. Deep mode, hold up. Is this kind? Helps you pause before saying something hurtful, protects your speech. Parameta mode, you pause before you speak. You choose honesty without cruelty. You build trust, not just with others, but with yourself. Real life check. Are your words leaving a trail of connection or damage? 3. Patience, koshanti, the anger antidote. Can I stay grounded when things don't go my way? Reflex mode. How dare they? Customer service keeps you on hold for 25 minutes, then meltdown. Your partner forgets something again, then snap mode activated. Your kid spills something, then instant shouting. Deep mode. I see my anger rising, and I choose peace. Trains you to watch your reactions instead of being them. Paramita mode. You feel the irritation, but don't feed it. You realize the moment will pass. You choose not to give your peace away. Life hack. Patience isn't weak. It's powerful self-control with kindness. 4. Diligence, virya, mindfulness on repeat. Can I show up for what matters, even when I don't feel like it? Reflex mode. I'll do it later. I'll meditate tomorrow. Repeat forever. One more episode until it's 2 a.m. You give up as soon as results don't show. Deep mode. Let's practice again and again. This is the muscle that keeps deep thinking going. It's all about momentum. Parameta mode. You practice even when it's boring. You keep going even when progress feels slow. You build consistency, not perfection. Modern meaning. Diligence is quiet rebellion against laziness and distraction. 5. Meditation, dhyana, the focus factory. Can I be present instead of lost in noise? Reflex mode. You wake up, grab phone, endless scroll. You multitask all day, but feel like you did nothing. You chase stimulation, but lose satisfaction. Parameta mode. You sit, you breathe, you just be. You learn to observe without reacting. You realize stillness sharpens clarity. Stay, breathe, be here. Meditation strengthens attention, so your deep brain gets faster and sharper over time. Reality check. You're not your thoughts. You're the awareness watching them. 6. Wisdom prajna, the final upgrade. Can I see clearly beneath all the stories? Reflex mode. This always happens to me. I'm just like this, I can't change. They're the problem, not me. This is real, this is me. Parameta mode. You question your own narratives. You see, things are not black and white, but complex and interconnected. You realize most suffering comes from clinging to illusions. Wait, is anything truly solid or separate? With wisdom, you see the reflex mind for what it is, a bundle of habits and illusions. Insight. Wisdom isn't knowing more facts, it's seeing through the illusion of automatic reactions. So now the big question. Which mode is running your life? Reflex or reflection? Are you reacting to life based on old habits and survival instinct? Or are you cultivating the space to choose, to respond, to wake up? Because here's the truth. Your brain loves patterns, but your mind can rewire them. And the 6 paramitas, they're not religious rules, they're tools to help you. Speak with more care, give with more heart, show up with more focus, live with more clarity. The point of all this isn't to become perfect. It's to become more conscious, moment by moment. Eventually, even your new, healthier responses become natural, like a new kind of wise reflex. Not driven by fear or desire, but by compassion, awareness, and wisdom. That's not just brain training. That's awakening.